How to use Pionex Trading Bot Dual Investment. Quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Pionex and how to use Pionex Trading Bot Dual Investment. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up pionex.com and you will land on this platform right here. Pionex is an exchange where you can trade crypto. It has its own marketplace and we get different options such as derivatives. In earn, we can do staking and buy crypto as well. So it's a very easy to use platform. I'll show you how to use Pionex Trading Bot Dual Investment, which is a famous option available on Pionex. So let's get into it. First of all, you need to create an account on Pionex if you are a complete beginner. So you will just use your email address and then create your own account. Once you sign up, then this is where you will get. You can see we have trade option, market, derivatives, earn. In earn, we have structured staking, trial funds. In buy crypto, we can buy crypto with credit card. And then we have support. So I'll show you how to actually use Pionex Trading Bot Dual Investment. For that, you have to go to the markets, or what you can do is you can go to the trade option. So in trade, we have different types of trading available. We have margin trading and spot trading. Once you open up a trading window, it actually gives you these options. And here the third option is creating a bot. So I'll show you how to create a bot for dual investment. Click on the bot and it will take you to the My Bots detail on Pionex, and here you will be able to see the bots that you have already created. We can not only create a dual investment board, but we can also create a grid trading board. Then we have DCA board, spot futures arbitrage, and others. So you can create any kind of board from here. And then we have chat, and we also have like switch mode, and then we have expand chart. So these are the different options that you will be getting at the side of your screen. In trade, actually, let's get back to this window here. You can see we have grid trading board, DCA board, spot futures, and others. You can scroll down to explore more. You can see we have a margin, grid board, leverage, reverse. So you can select any of the dual investment boards. Let me actually show you some of the information. Once you get to pionex.com/dual investment, you can see we have the information available. When it comes to the dual investment manual mode, dual investment is a floating income non-principal protected structure saving product. The yield of the product is clear and fixed at the time of purchase, while the settlement currency is uncertain. So this is how the dual investment works, and you can actually check out the information right here on pionex.com. And then you get to the platform and you can select the one you want to go for. What I'm going to do is let's actually go with the simple grid board, and I'll show you how to create one, and you will have an idea that if you get your own board and if you switch to the dual investment mode, how to create a board. Before we continue, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, buying and selling crypto, involves a high degree of risk whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand cryptos and you truly understand what the Pionex trading is, how the bots work, then you can get started. This is a beginner's tutorial for the platform Pionex, so that when you want to do dual investment, you have some information if Pionex is the right platform for you or not. That being said, let's continue. Here, let me actually give you a quick tour around what's happening with the trading window here, the chart. You can see we have a chart and we have all of the tools given, such as tags and forex and different, options that we can use for our chart. We have order book that gives us transactions, sum, everything. Then we have to select our pair here. Then we have fight price, 24-hour high, 24-hour low. You can also expand your view from here, but for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to keep it this way. So in order to create the board, you can also create a manual board. And when it comes to a dual investment board, we actually have to create a manual board. So let me actually show you what information you have to add. So you can see we just have to enter all the parameters and information. Let's do that. First of all, we have to select if we want to go with limit, market, or grid buy. So I'm going to go with limit. Then we have buy price. So you will enter the buy price for the coin that is the current price. And you can see for Bitcoin right now, it's 18,000 and it is at the time of making this video. Then we have amount. So here you have to enter the amount. Let's go with maybe 6. We're gonna go with 6 Bitcoins. You have to select the percentage and the percentage is going to be 16. Now this will show me my available balance. So you can see it's 0 USDT. So I will be getting 100 plus USDT. So click on buy and you will be able to create a bot which is going to be a manual. This is the manual trading here. If you want to go with the trading, then you will click on the trading bot and select the bot you want to go for. Let me show you how to buy crypto with Pionex. So you simply go to buy crypto, click on credit card. We can buy crypto with credit card. This is the easiest way to buy on Pionex. So you just have to enter your credit card information and you will be able to buy Pionex. Let's get to the market. In market, we have all of the different coins available. You select the coin you want to go for, and after that, you can, of course, check out the trading window and where you can create the bots. So all of the different famous coins are available. The market is pretty huge and has different information for us, such as first of all we have pair, then we have price, we have fight price, 24-hour volume, and 24-hour change for our coins right here. So you can also create a watch list here. Then we have leverage and ranks. In derivatives, I will be able to see the running orders, the history orders, and other options that we have. And in earn we have staking. So in staking we have Ethereum staking, my staking again, where we have different options. It also depends on what wallet you have connected. So you can see right here, deposit the funds in your wallet, verify your account, and you can use Pionex really easily, create bots, trade, and stake on crypto, and you will be able to make money too. You will be able to earn with Pionex. When it comes to the chart right here, you can see we also have transaction history. It will show you the prices, it will show you the quantity, the time. Then we have trading bots and manual. So if you scroll down, you will be able to see your history, your quick history here, the transaction history, the profit history, today's profit, everything. Then this is, we have auto and log mode. So if you want to go with auto, click on auto and it will switch your mode, and this way you will be able to get the information. Similarly, I can use the compare option and indicators to use the chart very efficiently, and with Pionex we can get started. So click on the trade option, create your account with just your email address or your Google account, and you will have your own Pionex. To get to the trading bots that you have already created, you will click on my trading bots and it will take you right here. This is where you will get your dual investment manual mode. So you can create BTC USD dual investment, USDT BTC dual investment. So all of the bots are available here as I showed you. Just go to the trade and then you will be able to create all of the different bots. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.